Okay, so it's been a very cold, backwards, wet, very delayed spring, and the few days we were able to actually work and get things done, working without a lot of sleep, not a lot of family time. Um, well, mistakes happen, and this is the aftermath of one of those mistakes. We were planting corn and beans at the same time, and using the seed tender to tender to both corn in the back hopper, soybeans in the front. It was dark out. Yeah, anyways, the corn got put in the bottom of the drill and buried with soybeans, and didn't notice it until the drill started doing weird things with the population. And anyways, we ended up dumping the drill on the shop floor, getting back out to the fields so we could keep going before the next shower. It sat there depressing us for about a week, and well, we got our seed cleaner out. We bought at a auction sale for about $200 years ago, and thanks to Savita International for helping us come up with what screens we needed to use. But as you can see, it worked extremely well. We got the two pro boxes separated in about 2.5 hours. No damage. The only downside to this is we're gonna have to keep the corn seed till next year, but hopefully the next time the weather breaks, we'll get these beans on the ground and try and get finished up. It's been a challenging spring for us. A lot of equipment failures and just some sleep-deprived errors. Let us know in the comments down below how'd your spring go? Was it filled with problems like ours? Did it go well? Yeah, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to post a little more regularly, and I hope you enjoyed this video of demonstrating that not every day on the farm is sunshine and roses. But at the end of the day, we ended up with 1.5 boxes of beans and a little bit of corn in another. Have a great day.